CHC essentially faces obstruction at 20 cents. Genuinely, in spite of prevalent thinking, CHC down roughly 1.4% inside the most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. CHC United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. Incredibly, Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters. Past week acquiring 2% in an unpretentious way. 21 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these as often as possible. Generally gotten clarification on some things, facts. What really is extremely transient cost expectation for Chilliz, especially is CHC and all things considered, wise speculation. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,054,588,025,469 in a kind of significant manner. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, showing how 21 September 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, showing how 21 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is especially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, especially is CHC an especially wise interest in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span in an especially significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere near 1.51, and as of now exchanging at 51 cents. Kind of additional appearance. How various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, showing what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, exhibiting how 21 September 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. These occasions by and large show that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending course for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a really broad in every practical sense, negative plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market. exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469, which sort of is very critical. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to, in every practical sense, recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, exhibiting how 21 September 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time. Really got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Chilliz fundamentally is CHC a genuinely wise interest in and in every way that really matters, significant way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling in especially further in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers really move exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very critical. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, basically is at $0.058, down 1.4% in the very beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 2% over the course of the week. Genuinely further appearance how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which generally is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 25,304,262.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $429,734,231 United States dollars. So CHC really faces opposition at 20 cents in a truly significant manner. There in every way that really matters are practically 7,406,079,839 especially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how CHC United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in an extremely large way. Chilliz value examination CHC cost investigation for 21 September 2023, insight and especially everyday time period, certainly made sense of underneath, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1%.